Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is my hobby. There is something about being in the great outdoors surrounded by plants and flowers that brings me a sense of a space and tranquility. Whether I am tending to my vegetable gardens or planting flowers, I always find gardening to be a relaxing and enjoyable activity. One of the reason I love gardening is that it allows me to connect with nature. When I am out in the garden, I am able to appreciate the beauty and diversity of the natural world. I get to observe the growth and development of plant, watch the birds and insects, and enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. This connection with nature helped me to feel grounded and present. Gardening also allowed to me to be creative. I enjoy coming up with new garden designs and trying out different plants and flowers. I get to experiment with different colors, scam and plants combinations, and I am always surprised and delighted by the results. Gardening is a creative outlet that allow me to express myself and bring beauty into the world. In addition to the personal benefits of gardening, it also has practically benefit. Gardening allows me to grow my own fruits and vegetables which are healthy and delicious. It also helps me to save money on gracious and be more self-sufficient. Furthermore, gardening has environmental benefits as it helps to improve air quality, reduce carbon emissions, and provide habit for wildlife. And gardening is a not without its challenging. It can be hard work and it require patience and presence. There are also pests and disease to contend it with, and the weather can something. However, for me, the reward of gardening make it all